Hello viewers, I hope you all are very fine. Today I will discuss about the Photoshop Move tool and Artboard tool. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to show you, I will create a new document. You can see Artboard is selected here because the last action has been shown by Photoshop always. My last action was it. Then I would like to show that if I click photo template, the blank document preset, you can see Artboard is not selected. Print also. When I click web preset, then Artboard is selected, and mobile Artboard is selected. Film and video also. So actually Artboard is work for mobile, actually social media designs or web template design. So if I create a file using Artboard, you can see Artboard 1 has been created. Here it is Move tool and this is Artboard tool. So I am creating Artboard tool. I am selecting Artboard tool and click here. See Artboard tool and click here. You can see it will not work in the middle of the canvas. It will work when you click on the line. Okay, I am minimizing it. So now I can click plus to create another artboard and click plus to create another artboard. I can create multiple artboard clicking by plus. Okay, so you can see that already 8 artboards has been created. Okay, I am get back here. I hope you got the point how to multiply artboard. Okay, then I am selecting a rectangle. I am creating a rectangle here. You can see. Then I am creating ellipse here. Now I want to move this ellipse. You can see auto select is not selected. So if I click auto select, it will be automatically selected. This is Move tool. Okay, automatically. But if I don't deselect it, you can see it circle is not selected now. So if I hold down Control, then you can see that auto select is selected. So I am hold down Control, then click, and it is selected. Hold down Control and click, and it is selected, and I can easily move it. So viewers, I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, this video. If you learned something, please subscribe my channel so that you can get notified when new video will be published. Thank you so much. Take care.